Hello, my name is Martin Sepion from Forest Residents Association, or FORA. FORA is a voluntary group whose aim is to foster a sense of community within Leytonstone. FORA holds social and cultural events in Leytonstone and also campaigns to improve the quality of life in the area. Our current campaigns include lobbying to get step-free access installed at Leytonstone Tube Station, an anti-litter campaign, and a campaign to stop the growth of City Airport. City Airport has grown from 1 million passengers in 1997 to over 4 million passengers in 2015. Recently, the airport has concentrated flight paths over densely populated areas of South and East London. The airport is required to consult with residents on the impact of these changes. Furthermore, the airport is currently increasing the number of flights flown, requesting permission to fly larger aircraft, and also requesting permission to fly further, for example, to Istanbul and Moscow. FORA believes that airports should not be based in cities. FORA believes that aircraft cause unacceptable noise pollution over built-up areas such as East London. We also believe aircraft emissions add to already poor quality in London. We believe that the growth of air travel is environmentally unsustainable and politically irresponsible. Our view is that government has a responsibility to facilitate efficient, cheap alternative travel for internal and short-haul destinations. We believe City Airport should close. Since the introduction of concentrated flight paths over Leytonstone, residents have become worn down by what is a continuous stream of aircraft, one following the other, directly overhead. The aircraft are low and hence very noisy. Residents are woken by aircraft noise early in the morning. Outside space has become unusable as the noise is such that human voices are drowned out by aircraft engines. What was once a peaceful London neighbourhood has been transformed into a noise ghetto. So what can be done to stop City Airport becoming another Heathrow? You can write to your Member of Parliament, you can write to your local council, write to City Airport, expressing your views and the impact of these changes upon your life. You can also support Hakan East, the Stop City Airport campaign, and Plain Stupid, who are, among others, groups opposing the growth of City Airport. Furthermore, you can raise awareness of this issue with your neighbours and friends. If you would like to find out more about FORA, visit www.forestresidents.org. Thank you for listening.